description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we've got this cup noodles protein rich and savory beef. The chicken one, I wasn't such a big fan. 2.5 minutes, let's stand for one. Alright, so I am in a time crunch today. Crunchy time. Crunchy time. Yes. Alright. So let's get it on, as they say. 2.5 minutes, huh? So, yeah, it is the 26th day of August, 2025. Hope you're all doing well. Yeah, I'm doing well. I'll have something to show you, not in this episode or the tomorrow episode, but the episode after that, and that's why I'm exceedingly happy today. Our heat wave is all but done. I think it ends tonight at 8 p.m. It got really hot. It did. But I kind of gotten used to it. I don't want it to really get all that much cooler, but as they say, c'est la vie. So, what do you do? Yeah. It is a day. Today's the day for a day. And yeah, microwaving. That's fun. This is a day of reviews I'm doing of products that are all steeping. Figured I needed to get it done. And I need to get to the store because I'm almost out again. I was hoping to get to review 5,500 before I ran out, and that is certainly not the case. I also got some really weird news. So there's this neat website I was going to share with you that a buddy of mine, Noodle Journey, check him out on YouTube. He clued me in about this Japanese website where you can order stuff and you can either pay for expedited shipping or you can pay nothing and get the free shipping. So I ordered 2 packs of Nissin products. One is a Masaman curry yakisoba, and the other one I believe is either just a tom yum or a tom yum yakisoba. Both sounded good. They were like $4 a pop. I'm like, I'll give it a shot. I like never buy anything online, like as far as noodles go. I just don't really do that all that much, if ever, unless it's something really special. I figured $10. I'm not gonna find these around here. This is rad. Well, it just dropped today that website will no longer be shipping to the U.S. because of the Trump administration's tariffs. And so that could possibly mean that it'll show up, and then I've got to go to the post office, and then I've got to pay the tariff. I don't know. But I figure if it was like 30% of $8, I can fork that over. But I don't want to have to, and I shouldn't have to. I mean, that's ridiculous. Freaking ridiculous. Anyways, yeah, but they're no longer going to ship to the U.S. Well, I got the notification that they shipped yesterday. So I just made it under their deadline. So that's kind of cool. But God only knows if it'll actually get here, you know. Long live Voldemort, I guess. I don't know. Alright. Here's our proteinous nuclear No, I didn't even take time to get bowls out. I apologize profusely. I need a bowl. I do need a bowl. And I want to use a different bowl because I've been using the same bowls repeatedly. And I know which bowl that I would like to use if it'll hold the amount of liquid that I'll be ending up with out of this. So I guess we'll see. It just seems like the right bowl to use for biff. A biffy bowl. So let's get our forks out, ladies and gentlemen. Put your shoes and socks on. Our fun is right down the block. Here we go. Anyways, there we are. Let's turn this down and dig in. So this is a... I'm really not sold on this whole protein thing. It's really not hard to get protein. Protein and carbs are just kind of like everywhere. Carbs are easy. This thing is full of carbs. That's for sure. The noodles are all carb. But here we are. Let's give it a try. Noodly. And here's our broth. Now they're saying this is a bone broth, a concentrated bone broth. Well, kind of like the chicken one. Not a fan. Not really like getting any kind of like wow. I mean, if you're really having a hard time finding protein, you know, you can't find like a chicken breast and saute or bake it, and you don't know how to do that, then I guess you're okay. But let me tell you right now, for all you people searching for protein, you can go get a piece of chicken and you've got like a ton of protein. Boom, done. Like 10 grams of chicken is 10 grams of protein. Now, if you're not into... Oh, come on. If you're not into the meat, then that will be difficult for you and your relationship with chicken. There's a little bit of pepper in there too. That's more like for the second and third one. Here's some sesame seed. Yeah, not finding any kind of hushed or bright kinship on this one. Sorry. Not a fan. But yeah. Cool. Alright, so the next one you're gonna see is this. This is from Otoki. This is spicy beef flavor K-pop star's secret 120 cal mung bean and potato noodle. So that'll be on the next episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.